God. This mantra is without form, sound or color and is the essence of Tao, the underlying and ultimate principle of the universe. This mantra unites your being with that of the Tao, forming a powerful bond. Every great religion indicates this potential unity, but they do not fully understand how to implement and effect it. You now have this knowledge and are familiar with its application.
二心经，口传心受由声音而达度无声因果之真心，由千经万典而达度真经真也。心经心法真空也，真我本性也。三点
The true teaching is transmitted from mind to mind. The true self, the I, the spirit, the mind all indicate the true center of man or his real essence and original indestructible nature, which is identical with Tao. The human being is a microcosm, sharing all the attributes of the macrocosm. Since he is essentially divine, man only needs to understand the nature of reality and align himself with it. The more pure and refined his nature, the more conscious he becomes of his relationship with the Tao. When he realizes that he is one with the Tao, he has become fully enlightened.
三以心传心口传心手，以老之心传于众生之真心，此者老的分灵之心也。
See, we third treasure the symbolic seal one. In Chinese, Pa means to combine and Tun means all together. The symbolic seal, which is formed by the two hands joined together, is the golden seal, which is formed by the two hands joined together, is the golden seal which unites us with God. It is like a contract or mutual agreement, which is the actual meaning of Hajjing between you and your Heavenly Mother. It acts as a signal, password, or passport. It is a spiritual instrument of identification, as well as symbol with many ramifications. 2. When you hold the symbolic seal, you are united with God. 3. The left hand is good, so it is placed on the outside, covering the right hand. The right hand is often used for evil purposes, such as beating and killing. The right hand is placed on the inside because of its evil propensities and is shielded by the left hand. Together the hands hold the word child, which is formed by the two thumbs in proximity, symbolizing the Chinese word hai, which means child. This hand symbol acts as a direct signal to God. It serves to mobilize heavenly protection and causes the user to escape from any impending calamity. 4. Let us quote some words from the Bible. Matthew 19:13-15. Some people brought children to Jesus for him to place his hands on and to pray for them, but the disciples scolded the people. Jesus said, "Let the children come to me and do not stop them, because the kingdom of heaven belongs to them." He placed his hands on them and then went away. This event illustrates the power and significance of the symbolic seal. At that time Jesus placed his hands on the children's heads and explained that this is the way to God's kingdom. Today we hold the child symbol and realize that we are the children of God and are willing to return to God's presence.
第三，报和同义变和同之意和是合成一体，同是相同，合同象征老赐予我们的精进，表示我们以为根人。我们守抱合同，表示我们要与老合成一体，同老一样，是说与老和灵永不再分开。二点和同，同和，抱起合同，能一言罗。三点左手属善当在外，右手属恶居内边。子亥生虾怀中抱，能托九大节观。四点现在让我们引用圣经之语句，有一些人带孩子们到耶稣跟前，求耶稣为他们按手祝福，但是使徒们责备那些人。耶稣说，让孩子们到我这里来，不要阻止他们，因为上帝的国是属于如此的人。耶稣为他们按手祝福，然后离开。从这件事，我们可以了解，它是对合同之一种预言。在那时，耶稣把手按在孩子头上，并说：“须如此，方能返回天国。”如今我们守抱子海觉，并觉悟我们是上帝的儿女，且愿意回返上帝身边。
Chapter 4 Why do the introducer and the sponsor take an oath at the altar before you receive the vow from your teacher? Two persons take an oath at the altar, one is your introducer and one is your sponsor. Without these two persons, the vow will not be transmitted to you. The introducer vouches for your character and guarantees your good conduct. The sponsor guarantees that the vow is the true path and that the teachings are genuine. A vow is also taken to guarantee that any money which you may donate to the temple will only be used for the printing of books and other such noble purposes.
第4章，为什么银宝要立愿在点诗还未传到给你之前，有2个人做你的银宝师先立愿，引保你求道，否则点传诗不可传到给你。这2人保证你是好人，并发誓他们是引你入正道，并非左道旁门或邪教，他们并非狂哄你的钱财，否则他们愿受天雷诛。你奉献的功德经是来见佛堂引善书，任何人也不能把它用在私人用途上。
Chapter 5 Why I should take an oath before receiving the vow. Before anyone receives the vow, he has to take a vow which states that he will faithfully adhere to the principles of vow and will not reveal the secret teachings of the 3 treasures to anybody.
第5章，为什么要立求道愿？每个人在为求道前，必须先立愿，表白他将诚心报道，即不泄露天机3宝给任何人。
Chapter 6 How to save human beings. Now you had received the vow which is ineffable, sacred and sublime. You had just been saved by someone, so now you should try your best to spread these exalted teachings to your fellow human beings and urge your family, friends and acquaintances to receive the Tao. This is of great merit for you because you are not only saving someone's physical body from disaster, but you are also saving his true self from the sufferings of reincarnation. Also, you not only save that one person because, if he cultivates himself properly, he can also save 7 generations of his offspring by his virtue. How great is your merit!
第6章如何救度众生。如今你已得了大道至宝，你已被人救度，你也应该去救度别人。所以，请你尽量的度你家人、亲戚、朋友求道，让他们亦得蒙上天之恩典，此乃你莫大之功德。因为你不仅救了他的灵性脱离轮回之苦，并且救他的色身脱离劫难，同时你不仅是救了一人，假若他真修，他将能以他的功德来超拔九玄七祖。你的功德和其